Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share one Thai recipe with you all. Basically I use fish fillet here, and as a Thai recipe it will be full of fragrance. It's easy to cook, but definitely use few more ingredients to cook this recipe. Here I took fish fillets of tilapia and 2 tilapia fish fillets and 2 basa fish fillets. So let me go ahead and start preparing this Thai recipe. Here I took basa fish fillet and tilapia fish fillets. I made it in small pieces. The sauce is ready now, but I have to wrap this fish in banana leaves. For that I have to go to my kitchen garden. So let me go and bring the banana leaves from the garden. So my cooking is over. My Thai fish is ready. Please try this recipe. You'll love it because of the flavor and because of the taste. Flavor, that lemongrass, it adds a nice aroma in this dish, and the taste because of the tamarind and the brown sugar and the chili, sour, sweet and hot, all this blends together. So please try it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all later in my next video. Bye bye.